Alright, let's do this. We'll start with the math stuff. Model 4 subtraction facts using numbers 5 and 3. 5 minus 3. Negative 5 minus 3, negative 5 minus 3, 5 minus negative 3. Let's find the counter to the left, yep. 5 minus negative 3. Sorry. This is example 3.30 and example 3.31 are very much alike. First we subtracted 3 positives from 5 positives to get 2 positives. Then we subtracted 3 negatives from 5 negatives to get 2 negatives. Each example used counters of only one color, and the takeaway model of subtraction was easy to apply. What is it? Yeah, now let's see what happens when we subtract one positive and one negative number. You need to use both positive and negative counters and sometimes some neutral pairs too. Adding a neutral pair does not change the value. Negative 1 minus 3. Negatives, take away the second number, so we need to take away 3 positives. The positives take away, add each pair to have 3 positives. Take away 3 positives. And negatives. Minus negative 3. 5 positives, take away the second numbers, take away 3 negatives. The negatives take away, and each pair to have 3 negatives. Yep. 3 negatives, counters are left. There's 5 negative 3 is 8. 8, 2, yep. 4. So you have to 6 numbers. Positives. Three. Cool. Okay, something I want to review is phonetics. Well, Danish phonetics. Let's see. Too many tabs. Okay, there we go. God, why is my computer running so slow? No, it's probably because I'm streaming. Yes, Danish has 9 vowels. Vowels in Danish may be short or long. The short variant is often slightly more open than the long vowel. Apart from I and U, the vowels are much more open when immediately preceded or followed by R than otherwise. Okay. Much more open. Also said short variants are often slightly more open. This is probably gonna come out so loud.
I, O, U, Y, E, Ø,
Oh wait, no.
Å.
Complete day. Pronunciation guide. Vowels. Danish has 9 vowels. A, E, I, O, U, Y. A and E together. O with a line through and A with a circle above.
A, E, I, O, U, Y, E, Ø, Å.
You'll now hear how...
Wait, what did it just read from? Oh. The back of it.
Together. O with a line through and A with a circle above.
A, E, I, O, U, Y, E, Ø.
Okay, are those two E's different? E and E?
Through and A with a circle above.
A, E, I, O, U.
Oh, it's more of like an A sound. A, E, E. Oh, ooh.
E.
God damn it. That one also has the same sound. The Y. A. Trying to not think too hard about it.
Ø, Å. Æ, Ø, Å.
You'll now hear how to
Oh my
pronounce
God.
them.
Got lost.
A, long A.
And E together, O with a line through, and A with a circle above.
A, E, I, O, U, Y, Æ, Ø, Å.
You'll now hear how to
God. Why do 4 of them sound so similar? Okay.
pronounce them.
A, long A, as in bade. A, short A, as in
Okay, so this is supposed to be less open. Slightly more open than A in cats.
cat. E, long
Oh,
E, as in bede. A, short A, as in cat.
cat.
E, long E,
Huh. Again.
You'll now hear how to pronounce them.
A, long A, as in bade.
Bed.
A, short A, as in cat.
Cat.
E, long E, as in bede.
Bed. 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 Okay. Can't be able to do them really quick. Sure. Okay, sure. Same. Oh, the Y doesn't occur in English. Rounded lips, the more open and best. Huh. I'm not sure. Oh, the bird. Chicken. Oh, wait. My TTS isn't working. Oopsie. Oh, Lisa, hi. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Oopsie. I don't know why. Let me reset. I'm gonna try resetting it. Yeah, I didn't hear anything, so I just thought, like, no one was around. But yeah. Look at us all with our hearts from the Valentine's Day event. So cute. So, okay, I need to try to restart the TTS thing. You know what? I wonder if they... Let me see. Sources... Oh, there it is, TTS. Refresh. Wow, lovely. Okay, I need to go problem solve. I think... think the problem is no, I don't need to do that. It's the actual. You know what? It might be down right now. Let me look. Wait, because sometimes it goes down. Like the website, the service goes down. But let me go find out. Because if it did, actually I think it did. Okay, so no TTS this stream. Cool. I guess. That's sad. That's annoying. I don't like that. Yeah, it's just the website. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of difficult. I wonder if... Damn it. It'll probably be back up in a day. Like the last time this happened, they fixed the service in a day, so it's just down for tonight. It's just sad. I'm just gonna have to look at the chat every now and then. Yeah, it should be up back in a day. That's good. Okay, I'm just reviewing the pronunciation stuff for Danish, but like, oh god. I hate going through these. It's just so, I don't know what it is about going through vowels. It's like so freaking painful. I hate doing these, but it's kind of like important. I did do this type of thing at the beginning. Yeah. No. What's next to say?
E,
Jesus.
short E,
Yes.
as in fit.
Fit.
I,
Fit.
long I, as in lide. I, short I, as in dit.
Dit. Some of them match though.
Long O, as in skole.
Skål.
O, short O, as in lokke.
Okay.
U, long U, as in pude.
Pude.
U, short U, as in kunne.
What? Kunne?
Y, long
How is
Y,
that short?
as in byde.
Byde.
Y, short Y, as in bytte.
Bytte.
Æ, long Æ, as in læse.
Læse.
Æ, short Æ, as in ven.
Ven.
Ø, long Ø, as in høne.
Høne.
Ø, short Ø, as in høns.
Høns.
Å, long Å, as in håbe.
Håbe.
Å, short Å, as in hånd.
Hånd. Okay.
Now listen to the pronunciation of pairs of words.
Pairs of words. Hi, Lisa. Oh, okay. But have a good night's sleep. You know, good night. Oh, so good. Yay. Yeah, it was nice of you to come visit right before you went to bed. That was nice of you. Aw. Seriously though, good night. I know I have a habit of streaming when it's like super late in Denmark time? Sweden time? I'm sorry about that. But I hope you have a great sleep. Who's? Alright. Right, we're doing pairs of words. Oh, no, that's just how she said it. Oh, yeah, that's long drive. Okay, short. Slightly more open than E and best. Oh, okay. This is probably like the same as Swedish with the Y. Maybe. with like rounded lips or whatever. Huh. Is that all it was? I had no idea. There's a double consonant generally serves to indicate that the preceding vowel is short. For example, oh, okay. I guess this is just a good review. Length, however, is connected with stress, and in an unstressed position, a long vowel is shortened. For example, length connected with stress. Okay. Makes sense. There's more about stress at the end of this pronunciation section. Vowels in Danish are pure, not a combination of two vowel sounds. Diphthongs, as is common in English. Unstressed E at the end of a word is pronounced like E and the when it precedes a consonant. Precedes a consonant. Unstressed E at the end of a word. Oh. Following Danish words with two syllables, and the first vowel is a pure sound. What do you mean precedes it? I mean they just don't pronounce it when it precedes a consonant. Okay, so
In the first word of each pair, the first vowel is followed by a single consonant, and in the second by a double consonant. First, you'll hear a word with a single consonant following the vowel.
Masse,
Masse,
And then with a double consonant,
masse,
Masse,
heder, heder,
what?
pude, puder,
Wait, one more short, one
Læse.
more long?
heder, heder,
Oh, I had to go back a little bit.
and by a double consonant.
Okay.
First, you'll hear a word with a single consonant following the vowel.
masse,
Masse,
And then with a double consonant,
masse,
Masse,
heder,
Here,
heder,
here,
pude,
Pude,
puder,
Pude,
læse,
Læse,
læsse,
Læse.
in an unstressed position, a long vowel is shortened. For example,
læse, but, læse højt,
Læse. Højt.
diphthongs.
I,
Oh yeah,
Sounds
those were super annoying. I think those exist in Swedish too. Some of them. I hate diphthongs. Just looking for a word. When it precedes a consonant. Okay, diphthongs do occur in Danish. They are written as a combination of a vowel and consonant, usually G, J, or V, also F, the prefix AF. Occasionally, diphthongs are written as two vowels. It's an AU and looks like pause. The compound vowels end in either the Danish E sound or the U sound. Or does that sound like I don't know. The first vowel is pronounced consonants. Compound vowels end in oh, okay. C. The first vowel is pronounced as described above, but the second element never reaches the pure E or U. Instead of E, a sound between A and E is pronounced. Instead of U, or a sound between O and U, several different combinations of letters may produce the same diphthong. Fine. Okay. how long is this again? Okay. Dongs.
Like English I.
Mig. Jeg. Eje.
Oh, wait.
Diphthongs.
Ej.
Sounds like English I.
Mig.
My.
Jeg.
Right.
Eje. Vej.
Bye.
Øj.
Sounds like oi in the English word toy.
Øje.
Way.
Løg.
Loy.
Au.
Sounds like the ow in the English word how.
Hav.
How.
Æv.
This doesn't occur in English. It sounds like the first syllable in the Spanish word euro, but a bit more closed.
Peber.
Pure.
Iv.
Sounds like the oo sound in the English word pew.
And then.
It sounds like
Interesting.
the first syllable in the Spanish word euro, but a bit more closed.
Peber.
Pure. Oh.
Iv.
Sounds like the oo sound in the English word pew.
Livlig.
Beauty.
Og.
Sounds like the o in the English word obey.
Og.
Oh.
Lov.
Low.
Yv.
Sounds like the u sound in the English word hue.
Syv.
Sue.
The next sound doesn't occur in English. It sounds like the first syllable in the Spanish word euro.
Again?
Æv. Evne.
You know.
The next sound also doesn't occur in English. It sounds like the first syllable in the Spanish word euro, but a bit more rounded.
Jesus.
Øv. Øvrig.
Yuri.
Oh.
Yuri.
Sounds like the o in the English word obey.
Lov.
Low.
Danish has 20 consonants. However, C
Wow, those all sounded like there were like 3 that said like EU in the Spanish word euro. Interesting. Huh, okay. You just have to be aware that these exist. Okay. I could jump to C sharp. Oh, also take off one of these. Yeah. Type inference. Types matter greatly in C sharp. Every variable, value, and expression has a specific known type. We've been very specific when declaring variables to call out each variable's type. Variable, value, expression. But the compiler is very smart. It can often look at your code and figure out infer what type something is from clues and cues around it. This feature is called type inference. It is the Sherlock Holmes of the compiler. Type inference is used for many language features, but a notable one is that the compiler can infer the type of a variable based on the code that it is initialized with. You don't always need to write out a variable's type yourself. You can use the var keyword instead. Initialize with many language features. The compiler can tell that hello world is a string and therefore var message equals hello world. The compiler can tell that hello world is a string and therefore a message must be a string for this code to work. Using var tells the compiler, you've got this, I know you can figure it out. I'm not going to bother writing it out myself. This only works if you initialize the variable on the same line it is declared. Otherwise, there's not enough information for the compiler to infer its type. This won't work. For example, var x does not compile. There are no clues to facilitate type inference here, so the type inference fails. You have to fall back to using specific name types. In Visual Studio, you can easily see what type the compiler inferred by hovering the mouse over the var keyword until the tooltip appears, which shows the inferred type. That's kind of useful. I'm gonna put that in my notes. Many programmers prefer to use var everywhere they possibly can. It is often shorter and cleaner, especially when we start using types with longer names. But there are two potential problems to consider with var. The first is that the computer sometimes infers the wrong type. These errors are sometimes subtle. The second problem is that the computer is faster at inferring a variable's type than a human. Consider this code, var input equals console.readline. The computer can infer that input is a string since it knows readline returns strings. It is much harder for us humans to pull this information out of memory. It is worse when the code comes from the internet or a book because you don't necessarily have all the information to figure it out. For that reason, I will usually avoid var. Okay. Danish has 20 consonants, however C, Q, W, X, and Z are only used in words of foreign origin. C, Q, W, X, and Z. All Danish consonants are short. Double consonant does not indicate length, but usually has the function of showing that the preceding vowel is short. Pairs of consonants B, P, D, T, G, K are only different at the beginning of a word. For example, K in leg, I guess, sounds exactly like G in lay. Similarly, P and B sound the same in stop and pepper, as do T and D in sate and brood. I think the letters P, T, K also pronounces B, D, G after S. Yeah. B, D, G after S. Okay.
E, Q, W, X, and Z are only used in words of foreign origin. The consonant pairs BP, DT, and GK are only different at the beginning of a word. For example,
K en lægge,
Leg.
sounds exactly like
G en lægge,
Leg.
P en stoppe,
Stop.
sounds like
B en ebbe,
Ebbe.
T en sætte,
Sætte.
sounds like
D en bredde,
Brede.
P, T, and K,
are also pronounced as
B, D, and G after S. Spise, stave, skinne.
Now listen to the Danish consonants.
B as in bede,
Bire.
købe,
Kube.
D as in dag,
Dag.
dreng,
Drying.
However, when D is in front of unstressed E, with a few exceptions, and at the end of a word, its pronunciation is similar to th in the.
gade,
Gøde.
glad,
Glød.
F as in
Wait a second. When in front of unstressed E, with a few exceptions, and at the end of a word. Oh, wait. Oh, D. Few exceptions at the end of a word, similar to the and TH in the. Glove. Oh. Glove. I didn't realize it was like that. Glove.
fin,
Fine.
G as in gå, grad,
However, when G is in front of unstressed E, with a few exceptions, and at the end of a word, G combines with the preceding vowel to form a diphthong.
kage,
Okay.
låg,
Low.
H as in hus.
H is
Okay, I need to think about that for a second. Again, let's just E. Okay. At the end of a word, G combines with the preceding vowel to form a diphthong. Or is not pronounced so. Okay. So, wait, what did that sound like again? How's it going? It's going. Yes. What did it sound like?
when G is in front of unstressed E of a word, its pronunciation is similar to th in the.
gade, glad,
Glove.
F as in fin, G
Fin.
as in gå,
Go.
grad,
Growl. Growl.
However, when G is in front of unstressed E, with a few exceptions, and at the end of a word, G combines with the preceding vowel to form a
Oh,
diphthong.
and at the end of the word too.
Kage.
Kage.
Låg.
Low.
H as in hus.
Okay. Okay, what other notes are there to read? Let's see. H is not pronounced before V or J. Okay. When K is followed by N, the K is pronounced like L and Y. Really? Wait, and the other one, didn't it like not do that? Let me see. K, what'd you say for K? Huh. It said, oh yeah, that's interesting. They changed it. In the old version of what I'm looking at, it says when K is followed by N, the K is pronounced. Wait, what? K is followed by N, but now it says it's not pronounced. This is only like, I don't know. Let's just update it. The K is pronounced like L and Y. Interesting. Quality of R varies according to its position in a word. At the beginning and after a consonant, it is a back tongue consonant with very little friction. Beginning and after a consonant. After a vowel, it is pronounced with greater distance between the tongue and the back of the mouth and no friction at all. Between the tongue... Okay. In this position, it affects the vowel, resulting in a more open vowel sound, and is barely audible as a separate sound. Okay. And that's what it says. Unstressed ER is pronounced like or in mortality. C is pronounced like S in front of E, I, Y, A, and U. Yes, sir. S. Is K before A, O, and U. CH is pronounced as SH in shell, except in recent loan words. QU only used in words of foreign origin, pronounced as KV. W pronounced as V. X at the beginning of a word as S. After a vowel as KS. Z pronounced as S. Okay. Sometimes a written letter is not pronounced, and the combinations LD and DRD. DS and DT. D is silent. Wait. And these other words. Oh, okay. There are a few exceptions, such as layered, I guess. RD. It's something that's worth reviewing every time, honestly.
H is not pronounced before V
Vis.
or before J.
Peace.
Hjem.
Yum.
J as in ja.
Yeah.
Jord.
Lord.
K as in komme.
Calm.
Note that when K is followed by N, the K is pronounced.
Knæ.
Oh.
Kniv.
Wait, I think I read it wrong.
L as
I see
in
what happened.
le. Alle.
Kniv.
M as in mad.
I have to go back a bit.
N as in hus.
H is not pronounced before V
Vis.
or before J.
Hjem.
Yep.
J as in ja.
Yeah.
Jord. K as in
Jord.
komme.
Komme.
Note that when K is followed by N, the K is pronounced.
Knæ.
Knæ.
Kniv. L
Kniv.
as in le. Alle.
Alle.
M
Alle.
as in mad.
Mad.
N as in navn.
Navn.
P as in på.
På.
Prop.
Prop.
The pronunciation of
Er.
varies according to its position in a word.
Rød.
Rød.
Rede. Høre.
God.
Vær.
Vær.
Unstressed ER is pronounced like the syllable at the end of
Venter.
Venter.
Lærer.
Vær.
S as in se.
Se.
Vise.
Vise.
T as in tag.
Tag.
Træ.
Træ.
V as in verden.
Verden.
se,
sounds like S in front of E, I, and Y. A and E together, and O with a line through, as in
cølibat,
Cølibat.
cykel, se,
sounds like K before A, O, and U, as in
Cuba,
Cuba.
CH is pronounced as sh, as in
chef, charme,
Sham.
in recent loan words, CH is pronounced as in
chips,
Chips.
ku,
is only used in words of foreign origin and is pronounced as kf, as in
quiz,
Quiz.
quickstep,
Quickstep.
W,
sounds like V, as in
vat,
Vets.
X,
at the beginning of a word sounds like S.
xylofon,
Slophone.
X,
After a vowel sounds like X,
Axel,
Axel.
Z,
is pronounced as S, as in
zebra,
Zebra.
benzin,
Benzin.
sometimes a written letter is not pronounced. D is silent following L, N, or R at the end of a word.
guld,
Guld.
mand,
Men.
ord,
Hår.
An exception is
lært,
Lær.
D is also silent when followed by S or T at the end of a word.
plads,
Mas.
godt,
Godt.
The glottal stop is a feature of standard Danish. It's an interruption of a voiced sound. These words
D is also silent. Yeah, DSDT. Yeah, while in Danish some dialects there's no glottal stop, but it's a feature of standard Danish. It can occur in both words, both vowels and consonants. It's different from the glottal stop in English. It replaces T in some dialects as in water and butter. Oh yeah, that our glottal stop. In Danish, the glottal stop is an interruption of a voice sound. The pronunciation begins normally when a glottal stop is made through the closing of the vocal cords, or in most cases, only a narrowing of the gap between them, resulting in a brief pause. When the air from the lungs is allowed past the vocal cords, again, a small explosive sound is heard, like a brief echo of the interrupted sound. The rules governing the use of the glottal stop are very complex. Since it's not essential for communication, it's not necessary at an early stage to concentrate on this feature of Danish. It is best learnt through imitating other Danes on the recording or Danish friends. See, the stress usually falls on the first syllable of a word. Among the exceptions to this rules are many loanwords. The words beginning with B-E, E-R, G-E, and F-O-R. Yeah, I'm not going to remember. In several Danish place names. Additional information about the pronunciation of a given later on as it becomes relevant.
Are without a glottal stop.
Man, mor,
Men,
hun,
more, who,
These words have a glottal stop.
mand,
men,
mor,
more,
hun,
who. Okay, I cannot. They sound the same.
Unit 1, at the railway station.
Okay. Simplify expressions with integers. If you see a pattern, are you ready to subtract integers without counters? Let's do two more subtractions. We'll think about how we would model these with counters, but we won't actually use the counters. 23 minus 7. Start 23 negative counters. We have to subtract 7 positives, but there are no positives to take away. So we add 7 neutral pairs to get the 7 positives. Now we take away the 7 positives. So what's left? We have the original 23 negatives plus 7 more negatives from the neutral pair. The result is 30 negatives. Notice that to subtract 7, we added 7 negatives. Subtract 30 minus negative 12. We start with 30 positives. We have to subtract 12 negatives, but there are no negatives to take away. So we add 12 neutral pairs to the 30 positives. Now we take away the 12 negatives. What's left? We have the original 30 positives plus 12 more positives from neutral pairs. The result is 42 positives. Notice that to subtract negative 12, we added 12. While we may not always use the counters, especially when we work with large numbers, practicing with them first gave us a concrete way to apply the concept so that we can visualize and remember how to do the subtraction without the counters. Have you noticed that subtraction of signed numbers can be done by adding the opposite? You often see the idea, the subtraction property, written as follows. A minus b equals a plus minus b. Look at these two examples. So 6 minus 4 gives the same answer as 6 plus negative 4. Of course, when we have a subtraction problem that has only positive numbers like the first example, we just do the subtraction. We already know how to subtract 6 minus 4 long ago, but knowing that 6 minus 4 gives the same answer of as 6 plus negative 4 helps when we're subtracting negative numbers. Think about that. Helps when we're subtracting. Yeah. 13 minus 8, 13 plus negative 8. Yep. Subtract to simplify. Add to simplify. Actually, 8 from 13 is the same as adding negative 8 to 13. Try to simplify, add to simplify. Okay, subtracting 9 from negative 17, same side, negative 17. Now look what happens when we subtract a negative. See that 8 minus negative 5 gives the same result as 8 plus 5. Subtracting a negative number is like adding a positive. Simplify, add to simplify. Subtract negative 15 from 9, same side, 15 to 9. Negative 7. Simplified expression. Yep. Look again at the results of example 3.30 and I'm just looking where I'm 3.33. Wait, what's this? Wait, what is this table? Oh, subtraction of integers? Okay. 2 negatives. When there be enough counters of the color, take away, subtract. Oh, wait. I see, it's just showing. I was like, what is this? It's like steps for this one and this one. 2 positives. There be enough counters of the color, take away, subtract. Yeah. Negatives. This one. When there would not be enough counters to take away, add neutral pairs. Subtract 2 negatives. Pairs. Take away 58 negatives from 74 negatives. Subtract. Expression. This section is kind of long. We use the order of operations to simplify the expression. Performing operations, set up first, right left to right. Oh. Simplify the expression. Use the order of operations to simplify the expression. Multiply and then subtract from left to right. Simplify the expression. Okay, cool. Gotta maintain my streak. We did super run out, yeah, I did. That's good. Oh wait, what? Still working on the list? What list? Hi, Crossvine. Hello. Oh, there you are. Hello. Hi. The TTS is down. The service is down, so TTS isn't working. So I'm just trying to like remember to look at the chat, but it's very difficult to do. TTS is my whole life. I miss my TTS. I did. Actually, everyone has a heart badge now. It's wonderful. Like, look at us all. Yeah, it did take like a day for it to arrive. I'm so glad that. Oh, I don't know why I wrote 8. I was trying to make a happy face, but never mind. Oh, I know what happened. I'm using the Danish IME instead of English, so it made that symbol. 8 to YouTube, my friend. Damn. I mean, it still kind of looks like a face, I guess. I think it's fine. I guess. Thank you for sending it back to me. Awesome. Wait, are you watching the ad, Crossvine, or do you not have ads? I'm just curious. I hate ads, because then I have to like stop talking and it's annoying. Sometimes. And people are watching them. Oh, I'm stupid. Oh, yeah, you're right, because it says... Oh, my bad. I have to keep remembering to, like, check that. Okay, he is a teacher. He... Jesus Christ, come on, this is an easy word. What is it again? Yes. Hen. Okay.
Har.
That's not what I wanted.
Har.
What? Oh, a teacher.
En.
Fishing ads. Yeah, you're right. Jesus, loud. Teacher again.
Lærer. Fra.
Yeah.
Tyskland.
En mand fra Danmark.
Men. Wait, what? He. Hen. Yeah. Happy? I don't remember this. Oh, it's probably because it's new. Wait, no, it's not. But. Glad.
En klog læge.
Chloe. Wait, but. Okay. Where are you?
Hvor
Yeah.
er
Du.
du?
Henrik er glad.
Glow. Wait. Oh! Damn it.
Henrik er glad.
That's true. It did use a G.
Hvor er du? Hvor er du?
Hvor er du?
Er hun en klog kvinde?
Klog kvinde.
Er hun en klog kvinde?
Kvinde. Okay. I'm thinking. Oh wait, let's.
Er hun en klog kvinde?
Kvinde. Yeah, I guess DE is silent. I guess. She's Doctor.
Hun.
Hun. That's it, right?
Hun.
Hun.
Er.
In. Oh, they're not gonna use the article, okay.
Læge. Er hun klog?
Hun klog. Where's.
Er hun klog?
Okay, yeah. Inman. Fra Denmark.
Han er en klog læge.
Han er en klog læge.
En kvinde fra England.
En kvinde fra England.
En klog læge. Henrik er glad.
Glad. Yay. Did not lose my streak. Wait, it's not letting me there. Okay. Let me see, I wanted to... look in the resource I have up. I don't think over 24 hours. I I've taken some naps and stuff. Oh, you're talking about yourself, I see. Let's see. Garden. This unit you will learn how to greet people, introduce yourself, form simple statements and questions. Yep. CEFR A2. Oh, they mark them with CEFR levels. Yeah, you should take naps too. If you can't get the full length of sleep, it's better than nothing. Can establish social contact, greetings, and introductions. Okay. We got hi, Dave. Oh, good day. Greetings. Danes often shake hands when they meet and when they part. They do? Hello in Danish is hi. Dev is slightly more formal good day. There's the... Wait, do they not have these? It's fine. Wait, do they? This is why Google Translate exists.
Dags.
Dav. Okay. Alright, Dav or Davs are the slightly more formal. Godai. Dav is the Dai and Godai, and Davs is a variation. Okay. When leaving, you shake hands again. Goodbye is farewell. Literally farewell. The informal equivalent is hi or hi. Bye bye. The title is HR, pronounced haired, I guess, and fru are used like Mr. and Mrs. in English. Let's see. Wait, Mr. Mrs. I guess that would be like similar to like the German thing for Miss, isn't it like Frau or something for German? Wait. Switching tabs is so difficult. HR. And then what was I doing? This one? What the... So, oops. Never mind, I meant...
Herr, fru.
Okay. Ooh. did not know about that. The greetings that are used during the day and evening are God morgen, God aften, and God nat. God morgen is only used until about 10 o'clock. Between 10 and 6 o'clock, the greeting is God dag or Dav. Hi or Davs. About 10 o'clock. Okay, between 10 and 6. I didn't realize that good afternoon was good evening. Comprehension question. What are you doing when you say hi? You're saying goodbye. How would you greet a person meet for the first time at 11 o'clock in the morning? God dag? Yes, because it's after 10. Okay. Drink some water. There's so many of those left, so. I recommend that you skip var and use specific types as you start working in C#. Doing this helps you think about types more carefully. After some practice, if you want to switch to var, go for it. I want to make this next point very clear, so pay attention. A variable that uses var still has a specific type. It isn't a mystery type, a changeable type, or a catch-all type. It still has a specific type. We have just left it unwritten. This does not work. Var something equals hello, something equals 3. Because you cannot store an int in a string type variable. The convert class and the parse methods. With 14 types at our disposal, we will sometimes need to convert between types. The easiest way is with the convert class. The convert class is like the console class, a thing in the system that provides you with a set of tasks or capabilities that it can perform. The convert class is for converting between these different built-in types. To illustrate, console.write, what is your favorite number? String favorite number text equals console.read line. Int favorite number equals convert dot to int32 favorite number text. Console.write favorite number plus is a great number. It's a string. You can see that converts to int32 method needs a string as an input. It's a string as an input and gives back or returns an int as a result, converting the text in the process. The convert class has two whatever methods to convert. To convert among the built-in types. So 2byte turns to byte. Yeah, 2int16 turns it to short, 2int32, to an int, 2int64, to a long. I'm trying to think about like why 16 is short. It's because a byte is what, 8. So then times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64. Oh yeah. because they double in size. Makes sense. 2 chars to a jar. 2 singles to a float. 2 decimals to a decimal. 2 s byte. 2 UN 16 is to a U short. Because s byte is signed byte, right? And so 2 UN 32, 2 UN 64, to a U long. 2 string to string, to double, to boolean, to a bool. Yeah, single, double, decimal. Most of the names above are straightforward, though a few deserve some explanation. The names are not a perfect match because the convert class is part of .NET's base class library, which all .NET languages use. No two languages use the same name for things like int and double. What do you think about that? No two languages use the same for things like int, double. Short int and long types use the word int and the number of bits they use. Short and long. For example, short uses 16 bits, 2 bytes, so 2 int 16 converts to a short. U short, U int, and U long do the same, just with U int. Short int, long types use the word int and the number of bits they use. Oh, good night. You've been awake for too long, you need to sleep. I guess yours would sound like got something. Got gnats. Hi, Snowy. Hello. Just converts to a 2 int 16 converts to a short. Yeah. U short, U int, U long do the same, just with U int. Yeah, I see. 2 bytes. The other surprise is that converting to a float is to single instead of to float. But a double is considered double precision, and a float is single precision, which is where the name comes from. Let's see. All input from the console window starts as strings. Many of our programs will need to convert the user's text to another type to work with it. The process of analyzing text, breaking it apart, and transforming it into other data is called parsing. The convert class is a great starting point for parsing text, though we will also learn additional parsing tools over time. Oh, nice. Looks like, what, a mini quiz. Later. Oh wait, that's crazy. You're still here, Crossvine, because the chat says like you're not there for some reason, but you must be. Have you still been studying Swedish, Crossvine?
Hun er gammel. Hun er gammel. Hun er gammel.
Gammel. Oh, she is old, let's see. Hun er gammel.
Jeg har en stor søn.
Stor. Oh shoot. Okay.
Ja.
Er stor.
What? Oh, tall, big. Hoy.
En kat.
Inkets. Hun er gammel.
Han er en gammel hund.
Gammel
Han er en gammel hund.
er en
Han er en gammel hund.
hund. Oh wait. Oh. Oh.
Han er en gammel hund.
Oh. I mean, you wouldn't say she is an old she anyway. Or he is an old she, doesn't make sense, but... Okay.
Han er en gammel hund.
Oh, my heart's... That's bad. I wasn't paying attention. I'm about to get kicked out of the lesson. That's cool. No. Hun?
Hun
Yeah.
Er.
What time is it even in? Oh. 4:47 a.m. Sorry. Hun er kål.
høj.
Er han høj? Oh, sorry. I wish TTS was working. It's so annoying. Practicing writing a lot more lately. Picking a topic or question and then writing like 120 plus words in it. Cool. Planning to start having regular italki lessons with a tutor. Nice. That actually take me speaking more seriously. That's awesome. That's so cool. Are you excited to take the lessons? Did you find a tutor yet? It's nice at sites like that. Usually they'll give you like, you know, they have like trial lessons for like discounts and stuff. So you can like find someone you click well with. had some in the past, I'm sure, but they were always so spaced out. I see. That's cool. So I guess you have someone that you like? More consistent. I see. Yeah.
Jeg har en gammel lærer.
I thought it was like super cool that one day. Oh wait, not the tutor I used before, but like up their prices. Ah, that's a shame. That happens though. It's like I know in like online tutoring sites, sometimes when the tutors start, the prices are low, they're like really good, but then they like shoot up once they get more students and reviews and stuff. Let's see. I thought it was cool last time when I was listening to the Danish audio, I think, and then you were like, oh, I think you said that. I think you said, oh, there's a lot of words like I was able to understand. That was pretty cool. Cats. Cats.
En stor hund.
Cats. Oh. And what store?
Jeg har en hund. En glad kat. En glad kat.
En glad cat. Cat. God, I hate these. Oh shit, I already failed it. No, are you serious? It's because I was talking. Oh my god, I'm gonna... That's evil. Duolingo? I swear to god. I can't believe you added hearts to the web version. It's horrible. Okay, fine then. I think I'll just do the thing that I was doing earlier then. I'll just do that instead because there's no hearts in it. Oh. We got vocabulary builder, new expressions. Yeah. I'm called. My name is Meet Nom. Yeah. My name is. When you introduce yourself, you use one of the greetings above, followed by either. Yeah. Or Meet Nom. Yeah. Listen and read how these people introduce themselves and repeat. Let's see, it says Jens introduces himself to somebody he does not know. Okay, Niels meets his brother's new girlfriend. Mary goes to the travel bureau to collect her tickets. Lot introduces herself to a fellow student when she joins an evening class. Okay. So then...
In the following exercise, provide the introductions in Danish according to the instructions. You'll hear a description of the In the following exercise, provide the introductions in Danish according to the instructions. You'll hear a description of the situation, followed by a pause. The Danish will follow after the pause. A. Suzanne Brock goes... In the following exercise, provide the introductions in Danish according to the instructions. You'll hear a description of the situation, followed by a pause. The Danish will follow after the pause. A. Suzanne Brock.
Wrong thing.
Unit 1, at the railway station.
På banegården.
Vocabulary builder. New expressions.
Jeg hedder.
I'm called.
Mit navn er.
My
Oh,
name
it's
is.
supposed to be Yai?
Listen to how these people introduce. I'm called.
Mit navn er.
I'm called. Vocabulary builder. New expressions.
Jeg hedder.
Yai? Who?
I'm called.
Is there a strong D in that?
Mit navn er.
På banegården.
Vocabulary builder. New
You
expressions.
think?
Jeg hedder.
Who?
I'm called.
Mit navn er.
No. Yeah, just Google Translate. But you get to hear all the audio, so that's cool. Yeah. Where was it? I'm called, otherwise my name is. I wish my TTS was working. Yeah, don't worry. It's good to check, because honestly, sometimes I do forget to show what I'm doing, like, for the stuff that I do show, like, sometimes I forget to show it, too. So, it happens.
My name is. Listen to how these people introduce themselves and repeat.
Hi.
Does Jens introduce himself to somebody he knows?
Goddag. Jeg hedder Jens Hansen.
Jeg hedder Jens Hansen.
Niels meets his brother's new girlfriend.
Hej. Mit navn er Niels.
Hej, mit navn er Niels.
Marie goes to the travel bureau to collect her tickets.
Goddag. Jeg hedder Marie Sørensen.
Jeg hedder Marie Sørens. Oh god.
Lotte introduces herself to a fellow student when she joins an evening class.
Dag. Jeg hedder Lotte.
Oh.
In the
Oh
following
wait, I think Google Translate didn't pronounce that very well, because I think that's supposed to be a diphthong actually, not dav, but like Dao. Dao. Jeg hedder. What did you say? Latte?
exercise. Unit 1. Lotte introduces herself to a fellow student when she joins
It's spelled D-A-V, but I think it's supposed to be. The A-V is a diphthong for ow.
an evening class.
Dag. Jeg hedder Lotte.
Load it. I thought usually double consonants means the vowel is short, but that did not sound short to me. But guess not always. Load it. Okay. She joins an evening class. So you could say Dao in the evening, I guess, then. Let's see, good day. Between 10 and 6 o'clock. Oh, you could say Dao. Hi. Daos? I guess. Oh, wait. So what did Google Translate think it was? What happens when there's an S?
Dags.
Okay. I'm just curious if it was gonna pronounce the S or not. Wait, what did it say? Did it say it like?
Dags.
Oh, okay. I'm just bad at hearing it. Or, I don't know, it just sounds more robotic, so when it's like a real speaker, you could hear it, the diphthong better, I think. 10 and 6 o'clock. So then, after 6 o'clock, it's just good night, I guess. Good night, maybe? I don't know. I've only seen that as a greeting so far, I think. Okay, in 1.02... Oh, this part. Okay, in the following exercise, provide the introductions in Danish according to the instructions. You will hear a description of the situation followed by a pause. Danish will follow after the pause. Okay. Suzanne Brock goes to the bookstore to collect the book she has ordered. So I think you're supposed to pause and guess the answer, I guess. Introductions in Danish. So she'd be like, I don't know what time it is when she, something like, oh, these, which one's more formal again? Goddag? Good. Goddag is slightly more formal than hi, Dao, or Dao, Daos. So then, okay. It should be like, Goddag. Wait, why do I feel like I'm like speaking with an Australian accent, like in English? Goddag, mit navn Susanne Brock, maybe?
In the following exercise, provide the introductions in Danish according to the instructions. You'll hear a description of the situation, followed by a pause. The Danish will follow after the pause. A. Suzanne Brock goes to the bookstore to collect a book she has ordered.
Goddag, jeg hedder Susanne Brock.
Jeg hedder Susanne Brock.
B. Mette Andersen joins friends at a pub. One of them has brought her cousin. Mette introduces herself.
Okay. So maybe she joins friends at a pub, so maybe Dao. Jeg hørte Mette. Maybe she would just introduce with her first name. It's like casual, I guess.
Dag, jeg hedder Mette.
Nice. Just your first name. So that's the first time.
Viggo Moller has arranged to meet a customer for the first time.
Okay, so Goddag. Jeg hører Viggo Moller.
Goddag.
Good day.
Jeg
Oh yeah, it's more like day. Oh yeah, that's a diphthong. A, not I. Good day.
hedder Viggo Møller.
Viggo. What do you say? Viggo.
Jeg hedder Viggo Møller.
Viggo Moller.
Introductions.
Okay.
Listen to the dialogues.
Okay. Yeah. Simple. Better than Duolingo. It's. Why did these take 5? Why 5 hours? It's too cruel. Maybe Maybe they'll give me another free trial when I hit a certain streak milestone. Okay. Oh, gotta do this. Okay. Evaluate variable expressions with integers. Now practice evaluate expressions that involve subtracting negative numbers as well as positive numbers. 4x3, yep, substitution. Yep. Okay. Okay, remove one of these. I mean, technically, I still have to go through and finish these off from last time. Technically, I'll stick with it. Okay, let's see. What do we got? Introductions. Listen to the dialogues. Can you work out how to ask somebody's name in Danish? Okay, maybe I'll just like read it first. So, good day. Jeg hører Hans Petersen. Hvad hører du? Goddag. Mit navn er Jette Larsen. Wait, so everyone just... Oh, it's a dialogue, yeah. Jeg kommer fra Aarhus. Hvor kommer du fra? And hands. Oh yeah. Jeg bor i Copenhagen. George. Hi. Hi. Jeg hører George. Hvad hører du? Kirsten. Hi. Jeg hører Kirsten. Hvor kommer du fra? George, I kommer fra England. Se Hans, hvad hører din mor? Guess like, what's your mother's name? Hun hører Maria Sørensen og hun kommer fra Herning. Ah. Okay. Stay. Oh wait. Okay. That's kind of interesting that they don't, there's no, like, vocabulary or anything. It's just, like, oh, because I think you're supposed to, well, I know, I've seen these words before, but I think you're actually supposed to just figure it out. Interesting. Or, I don't know, be able to, like, look it up yourself type of thing, which is easy to do, but
Can you work out how to ask somebody's name in Danish? How do you ask somebody's name in Danish? A.
Goddag. Jeg hedder Hans Petersen. Hvad hedder du?
Goddag. Mit navn er Jette Larsen. Jeg kommer fra Aarhus. Hvor kommer du fra?
Jeg bor i København.
B.
Hej, jeg hedder George. Hvad hedder du?
Hej, jeg hedder Kirsten. Hvor kommer du fra?
Jeg kommer fra England.
C.
Hvad hedder din mor?
Hun hedder Marie Sørensen, og hun kommer fra Herning.
Conversation 1. New vocabulary.
Herning. Fun. Right, complete the translations. Hvad hører du? What are you called? Mit navn er Lise Madsen. My name is Lisa Madsen. Jeg kommer fra Denmark. I come from Denmark. Jeg bor i København. I was born in Copenhagen. I live in Copenhagen, my bad. Hvor kommer du fra? Where are you from? Hvad hører din mor? What is your mother's name? Okay. Then vocabulary add is i dag, today, jeres venner, your friends, your. But isn't Dean is your, so jeres is also yours. There was that one verb chart that I had looked at before that was useful. Well, not verb. I mean just pronoun chart. Aha. Yes, and Dean or something. Oh yeah. Second person. Possessive. This is plural then. So it's like your guys's, I guess. Interesting. That's one more step. Huh? Interesting. Many friends. Okay. På Friday. Friday. On Friday. Flew or something. Flies to fly is at flew. Flies head over here. Mid Toket by the train. Both stay, live, hosts with us, Ian, for a week. Oh, and this is the dialogue that matches up the previous one that I listened to, which is cool. Is this the whole dialogue?
Er,
Is.
i dag,
Oh,
Today.
they read it. Cool. Yeah.
jeres venner.
Your friends.
På fredag,
På fredag.
On Friday.
Fredag.
Flyver.
Flies.
Flyver.
At flyve.
At flyve.
To fly.
Herover.
Herover.
Over here.
Med toget.
Med toget.
By the train.
Bo.
Bo.
Stay. Live.
Hos os.
Hos os.
With us.
I en uge.
For a week.
Dag, Kirsten.
Oh, you're saying greater, right? You better be. Hell yeah, Blowy. Look, every single person who's used the chat today, all of us, we all have hearts from the Valentine's event. It's so nice. Yeah. Dansk is greater than Svensk. Yes. Yes. And so what do you think, Blowy? Since you are a fluent German speaker, does Danish sound more like German than Swedish does? I mean, I kind of think so, but I don't speak German, so. But yes, it is superior.
Halluka.
Okay, we got
With us.
with us.
I en uge.
I en uge.
For a week.
Dag, Kirsten.
Hello, Kirsten. At the main railway station in...
Okay, that part's next. So I think, yeah, that's be good. One thing at a time. So, damn it, wish all these. Well, I guess I'm getting through these. Wish all these Swedishes weren't there. Okay. Parse methods. Some C# programmers prefer an alternative to the convert class. Many of these types have a parse method to convert a string to the type. For example, int number equals int.parse 9000 a string. Okay. Many of these types have. Oh yeah. Parse method to convert a string to the type. Int.parse. Some people prefer this style over the mostly equivalent convert.toInt32. I'll generally use the convert class here, but feel free to use this second approach if you prefer it. Okay, I'll make a note of that actually. It's just good stuff to know. I mean, honestly, I should make a note of the whole thing. Like all of these twos, and then what else? And this. It's an alternative. Wait, no, not what I wanted. This one. Some people prefer this style over the mostly equivalent convert.toInt32. I'll generally use the convert class. Oh wait, okay, I thought I read that already, but no. But feel free to use the second approach if you prefer it. Maybe I did actually. I think I did. This is knowledge check, type system. Check your knowledge of the following questions. True or false? The int type can store any possible integer. No. Like there's a limit to the, the highest amount thing. Order the following by how large the range is, from smallest to largest. Short, long, int, bytes. Okay, so bytes, short, int, long. True or false? The byte type is signed. False. Which can store higher numbers, int or uint? Uint. What three types can store floating point numbers? Float, decimal, double. Which of the options in question 5 can hold the largest numbers? Decimal. Which of the options in question 5 is the most precise? Double. What type does the literal value 8, including the quotes, have? String. What type stores true or false values? Boolean. Oh, bool. Yeah. Okay, so false, byte, short, int, long. Okay, 3. False. Uint. Double, and then decimal. Oh, wait. Which can hold... wait, I got them backwards? What? Unless it's wrong. Which can hold the largest numbers? Apparently double. But I thought double had more accuracy, because it's like double and single or whatever. But which of the options is the most precise? It's supposed to be decimal. Oh. Okay, so I got 2 of those wrong. I'm gonna go back and check them too, like back in the section where it talked about them. The following contains a diagram that summarizes the C# type system. It includes everything we have discussed here and quite a few other types and categories we will discuss in the future. Types. Let's see. Let me define where it talks about double and decimal. Oh, here we go. If a number contains a decimal point, it becomes a double literal. The double type can store the biggest... Oh, it's true. Can store the biggest big numbers and the smallest small numbers with even more precision than a float. Decimal type's range is the smallest of the 3. Oh, wow. But is the most precise. Okay. Wait, so, yeah. So I was wrong when I answered it first time. Which of the options can hold the largest numbers? So decimal. Which of the options is the most precise? Wait, no, I just messed it up again. Which can hold the largest numbers? Double. Double. Which is the most precise? Decimal. Yeah. I was 1 second. Yeah. Reviewing syntax, though. This doesn't count as coding. Like, what is this? This isn't coding. This is just me taking notes about what I'm reading. Hi, NetDev. How are you? So nice to see you. You're the best. But we will be coding again. We will be. I promise. I promise. I promise. Hey, just as good. Aww. I promise I will not give up on the coding. I will do it. I want to be able to make things. And yeah. And you're my original inspiration. I'll never forget. Yeah. How are you, by the way? I remember way long ago when we had talked. Way long ago. I know you visit kind of recently on that, like a newer stream. Commercial. Aww. Sad face. The ads reset. Aww. Crossvines. No more ads for me, for NetDev. You're so sweet.
Rosevine gifted a tier 1 subscription to NetDev.
Oh. Why are you guys are so cute to each other. It's so wholesome. Hey, NetDev, wait, is it over yet? No, it's not. You still have, if you want to get, oh wait, maybe you already have it though, you just don't have it equipped. But you see the heart next to my name? We can all get it for free. We can all get it for free up until February 28th. I got mine. Most people have gotten theirs, but just in case you want the heart, it's a Twitch event called Share the Love. All you have to do is share any Twitch clip of anybody, and then you get it in like 24 hours or something like that. Oh my god. You guys. Yeah, it's pretty cute. I like it a lot. Share the love. But yeah, just in case you didn't know about it, because most people seem to have it. And I really wanted it when I saw it. I was like, I have to have the heart. The heart. Also, the TTS is broken because the service is down right now, so I have to keep checking back on the chat. So sorry that's taking me time to respond. I want my TTS to come back. But yeah. You know, it's such an honor having you watch Crossvine, because like, since I'm mostly kind of doing Danish, and I'm biased towards Danish, but you still watch. I mean, you're still here, and it's so nice. And you even got NetDev a sub. Like, aww. Just means I can't entirely park the Swedish, but you know, I can still like park a lot of it. You know, now that I think about it, wait, what happens when helping another stream make a Twitch overlay translates in real time when she speaks over? Wow! I will watch despite all the Densk is greater than Svenska. Yeah! You are incredible, Crossfight. You're like, you are a, you know, you're like an honorary Swede, because they're all really chill. when I bully them or bully their language for some reason, they're just really, everyone's so chill. I do like languages, NetDev. Wait, I'm curious. So if you're watching ads, in the middle of watching ads, and somebody buys you a sub, do the ads just instantly stop? Or do you still have to keep watching them until the end, and then you won't get ads anymore? I do not know. But I'm curious. Not sure. Oh, okay. Oh my god. That sounds like that seems like such a cool overlay. Wow. It's such a cool idea. What's the difficulty level on that type of project? Out of, I don't know, 10 tiers or whatever. I don't know, whatever skill you want to use. That's a very software tester QA question. Don't you do you do software stuff, Crossfine? Yeah, now it's time to rotate onto the Dansk, because Dansk is the best. Best ever. Ever. The best. Yeah, I'm a dev. Ah, that's right. I'm pretty sure I asked you already, but I forget things. Notorious at it. And if I asked you that, which I probably did, I probably asked what language you use, and you probably said like Java. I don't know. No one said C#. No one new said C# recently. It's difficult, I'd say. I'm writing it in Python. Oh. An AI model trained on many languages to text or stream make for audio and then pass it speaker into. Wow. Is it Whisper? Is that the AI model? Just curious. I really like Whisper. Probably did. You probably remember well. Ah, okay. Yes. I feel a little bit better about my capacity to memorize things in languages if I can remember at least one detail right about what someone told me. I probably did. You probably remember well. Now that I'm learning, try Whisper, but it won't work because it doesn't swear. Oh, it needs to be real time. I see. Only batches. Not you. Yeah, I've seen some people before use like real time overlays, like translation overlays, and I've always wondered, like, I don't know where they come from, but it's really cool. Like, there's this one Japanese streamer who was using something like that. They might have like made it themselves, for all I know. A few times too. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Copenhagen, Hans is waiting for George to arrive on the intercity train. The station in Copenhagen. Hello, Kirsten.
Yeah.
At the main railway station in Copenhagen, Hans is waiting for George to arrive on the intercity train. While he's waiting, Hans sees a neighbour on the platform. Listen to Hans and Kirsten. When does Alison arrive?
Dag, Kirsten.
Hej, Hans. Er det i dag, jeres venner fra England kommer?
Ja.
You know what? This is the same dialogue I listened to last time, but they re-recorded it, and now they're speaking like not hella fast. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I was about to say it seems popular with Japanese streamers. Yeah! That's the only place I noticed it. Japanese streaming. Vosk and Argo translate. Oh, cool. Wait, I've heard about Vosk, but only in the context of, I mean, I might be wrong here, but like, it was like voice chat in, I think, the game Phasmophobia. I thought they called it like Vosk or something, and I'm like, it's like one of the options. I'm like, what's that? Completely open source and free. Oh, cool. I love open source and free. Yay, the best. I'm so happy whenever I see you in that dev. You're a real OG. You're like the first celebrity coder I've ever met. So yeah. Only other option for real time is Google Translate Graphic 2, which costs money. Oh, I see. What? To me you are. I see you as, you're basically net celeb. Celeb dev. I wouldn't be surprised if already at this point, because there was a little bit of a gap, where I wasn't streaming for a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if you're, you own like 10 software companies now. Back from when you were promoted past senior dev into I don't even remember what the role was called, but super senior dev. Not just one, okay? Just one. Wait, you mean you are like running the show? Hey! Finally. But yeah, that's vice president is so sick. It's so cool. Yay! But I can tell you something. I think. Wait a second. Do I have? Yeah. Let's see. Sorry. Yeah. I have a day job when I freelance and then spare time. Oh, that's so cool. So awesome. Ooh, I can tell you a little fun fact, Dev. I mean, in that DM. Give me 1 second. Okay. Sorry for the delay.
George kommer i dag.
Wait, I have to think about this for a second. I get confused with the characters, like who's talking. So we have Hans. What did you say again? Hans is waiting for George. He sees a neighbor, so he sees Kirsten, right? And then, okay, maybe I'll read it to myself first so I can like process it slowly. I mean, they're reading it pretty slowly, which is nice this time. In this version of this, they're reading it slowly. But my brain works even slower than that, so it's Dow, Kirsten, Kirsten's like, hi, Hans. Er det I dag? Also, I noticed the punctuation is different in this one. It's the same dialogue, but they're using different punctuation slightly. It's interesting. Jeres venner fra England kommer. Today, your friend arrives from England. Yeah. George kommer I dag. Alison kommer på fredag. Hun that one always sounds so cursed. I remember it from when I listened to the dialogue earlier. It's so cursed sounding, but whatever. Here, min mor kommer også med toget fra Jylland. Also by plane from Jylland. Okay. Hun skal bo hos os I en uge. She'll live with us for a week. Okay. Alright, time to listen to it again. Time to listen to them do it.
Platform. Listen to Hans and Kirsten.
Yes.
When does Alison arrive?
Dag, Kirsten.
Hej, Hans. Er det I dag, jeres venner fra England kommer?
Ja. George kommer i dag. Alison kommer på fredag. Hun flyver herover.
Min mor kommer også med toget fra Jylland. Hun skal bo hos os I en uge.
Yeah, this version is much better.
Conversation 2.
I mean, like, because they
New
do it
vocabulary.
slower. But it's honestly, it's like
Conversation
still
1.
kind of hard to
New
follow.
vocabulary.
Hos os.
With us. He's waiting. Hans
just
is
a
waiting
few
for
times, I think
George
that's
to
good.
arrive on the intercity train. While he's waiting, Hans sees a neighbour on the platform. Listen to Hans and Kirsten.
Yeah.
When does Alison arrive?
Dag, Kirsten.
Hej, Hans. Er det I dag, jeres venner fra England kommer?
Ja. George kommer i dag. Alison kommer på fredag. Hun flyver herover.
Min mor kommer også med toget fra Jylland. Hun skal bo hos os I en uge.
Conversation 2.
Okay, I'm talking slower. So much better. Let's see. Okay, so when will Allison arrive? Like in a week? Wait, no, she's gonna live with them for a week. Well, okay, so then day. Like she's coming today. Allison, okay, true or false? Allison will arrive by train. True. Wait. Yeah, true. Wait, means to live by train, right? Yeah. George is from England. True. Because he said, when does your friend from England come? Yeah. Kirsten's mother will spend 2 weeks in Copenhagen. True. Wait, no. Only 1 week. False. Questions and answers. What does Kirsten ask Hans? I think I'm supposed to, okay, so I'm supposed to remember the answer. I'm supposed to remember. What did she ask? She asked, like, does your friend come today or something? Your friend from England? But, like, what did she say? She said, like, I mean, probably should try. Okay, now I'm just gonna look. Because it's hard to make that. It's a long sentence. Dag I dag. Jeres venner fra England kommer. Today the day your friend from England comes. Is this the day your friend from England comes? I guess. Just as in English, the Danish question starts with the verb. Sometimes a form of the verb to do is used when asking a question in English. E.g., does he live in New York? No. No other verb is used in a Danish question. Okay, so there is no do, does for the question. The verb is simply placed at the beginning. So compare George kommer I dag or kommer George I dag. Allison kommer på fredag. Kommer Allison på Friday? Friday? So turn the statements into questions. Whom flew over flew. I don't know, actually. It would be like flew over whom here over? Probably? I think so, probably. I think there's let me open this again. There's answers in this, and yeah. So I'm gonna go find. I'll check the answers when I'm done with the questions. Second one. Hans bor I Copenhagen. Hans born in Copenhagen. So bor Hans I Copenhagen? I have din mor hedder Marie. I guess hedder din mor Marie. I think so the answers may be yes, yeah, or no, nay, nay. You can also form a question by using ved, what, oh, hvor, where. Okay, so let me go find the answer key for this thing. Oh, there we go. Allison will arrive on Friday. I was supposed to be specific. I said today, but today is today is Friday, according to the dialogue. False. It's supposed to be false, true, false. I don't remember what I said. Also remember by train, false. Yep. George is from England. True. For 2 weeks, false. Yeah. And then flew over, heard over. Yep. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, the other stuff I did right. Cool. So now I guess maths. Quick maths. I stopped doing Khan Academy because it was too slow. I was going through it. I was going through it too slow. I thought this would be faster. She refers to algebraic expressions. When we first introduced the operation symbols, we solved the expression a minus b may be read in several ways as shown below. A minus B, the difference of A and B, subtract B from A, B subtracted from A, B less than A. Be careful to get A and B in the right order. Yep, simplified, 13.1, subtract 24, 19. Yeah. Just numbers in the order they're given. Difference of 14, 23, negative 23, subtract 21 from negative 17. Difference of 11, negative 19. Subtract 18 from negative 11. And how long does this next work? Just like curious. I don't mind jumping and doing like bold stuff. Like the bolded titles. I could, yeah. Could do another, because that was like incredibly short, but Densk is fun. Kind of. No, it's fun. It's fun. Yay, okay. Conversation 2. And now I know they, a long journey on train. Okay. Now I know they, read the vocabulary, so it's cool.
New vocabulary.
Tak.
Thank you.
En lang rejse.
Lang
A long journey.
rejse
Med båd og tog.
med båd,
By boat and train.
tog.
Hej George.
Okay, what?
Hello, George. The train arrives at the station. Listen to the conversation. Did George enjoy his journey?
Hej, George. Velkommen til Danmark.
Hej Hans. Tak.
Det er en lang rejse med båd og tog fra England til København.
Ja, men det er en interessant rejse.
Conversation 3.
Oh god.
New vocabulary.
Wait.
Det var.
That was.
Okay. Så then, ja, men det... Guess this is our journey. Men is, probably would be in this chart. Probably. Should have known. Okay. Men? Or not? Yeah, I don't see anything that says that, so then... What is that? Men debt. Oops. But, oh. Men debt. But it was an interesting trip. Just rice. Lang rice? Is that what they said? So did he enjoy his journey? Yes, because he called it interesting. Let's see, question 2. How would you say? Yeah. Where is it? How would you say welcome to Copenhagen in Danish? I guess that was welcome to Copenhagen. Like that. Find this one. Oh, I love Danishes, of course. You're gonna say that. Guys, Danish is more than pastries. It's more than pastries. Actually, something funny that happened at Dev is there was a Dane who came into the chat the other day when I was streaming, and then they introduced themselves as a pastry. They're like, "Hello, I'm a pastry." She was an odd one. Okay. Interesting. Nice. I wonder if she talked with an accent. I wonder. She did. Got you. She was an odd one. What was so odd about her? I'm curious. I like how you remember that she's from Denmark. That's kind of cool. Maybe she talked about the place a lot. Her hair and her side eye. Oh, not the side eye. Oh my god. Anything but the side eye. Next conversation 3.
Tak skal du have.
What is this?
Thank you.
Det er min mor.
This is my mother.
What the? Wait a second.
God
what?
dag, fru.
Conversation 2. New vocabulary.
Tak.
Hello, George. The train arrives at the station. Listen to the conversation.
Oh god. Confused.
Conversation 3. New vocabulary.
Okay.
Det var.
There we go.
That was
Det var.
Tak skal du have.
Tak skal du
thank you.
have.
Det er min mor.
Okay, wait. I need time to process this. That was tak skal du have. Thank you. Okay. Wait, isn't skull used for like will? Thanks you will have or something? Oh, I don't know what this have thing is. Well, this is why Google Translate exists. Sort of. Okay, that wasn't helpful, but it's fine. Scroll this in, have. Well, okay, I don't think it's supposed to be that in this context, but it's probably like something like I will have thanks. Wait, or no, you will have thanks. You will have my thank you. I don't know, just loosely thinking about what that would literally mean, even though it just is thank you. But word order is interesting. Because isn't this is the verb, right? This is supposed to... Isn't this supposed to be like at the beginning or second word in the sentence? Like, why is it all the way over here? And this is here. And then why is... But it is like some fixed expression, so I think it's... I shouldn't think too hard about it. Since it's just fixed. Big, fluffy, curly blonde hair. Okay. Then that me more. This is my mother. Okay. Fru Sorensen. Oh, Mrs. Sorensen's. Listen to the dialogue and answer the question. Person greets his mother. Okay, I'll try listening to it then. Let's do it.
This is my mother.
God dag, fru Sørensen.
I should go back a bit though.
Thank you.
Det er min mor.
This is my mother.
Wait.
Goddag, fru Sørensen.
Go back for there.
New vocabulary.
Det var.
That was.
Tak skal du have.
Tak skal du have.
Thank you.
Det er min mor.
Det er min mor.
This is my mother.
Goddag, fru Sørensen.
Hello, Mrs. Sorensen. Listen to the conversation. How does Kirsten say it is a long journey?
Hej, mor. Velkommen. Det var en lang rejse. Dag, Kirsten. Tak skal du have. Det er min mor, Marie Sørensen.
Goddag, fru Sørensen. Jeg hedder Hans Petersen. Kirsten er min nabo. Goddag, jeg hedder George, og jeg kommer fra England.
Jeg bor i Herning. Det er en lang rejse fra Herning til København, men den er ikke så lang som din rejse.
Listen and translate into day.
Or I think that's Kirsten. She like talks. Oh, Kirsten's mother. Like the way she talks. Oh my god. It's like the difference between like. It gives me the impression of like instead of like hello, how are you? She's like hello, how are you? Like what? Okay, let me look at it again. They didn't say what Nabo meant, but I mean it's probably friend or something from context. Probably. Nabo. Oh, okay, I tried. Neighbor. So, Hans was originally waiting for George. Kirsten is Hans's friend. Kirsten, in the previous dialogue, Hans started talking to Kirsten. And now Kirsten's mother has arrived. Oh yeah, because Kirsten's name is Sorensen. But yeah, did she introduced herself that way, didn't she? Wait, I'm scrolling back looking through the other two dialogues and I can't even find that. Like, did I imagine that happened? Someone... No, they happened. Never mind, the first one. Well... No, it wasn't the dialogue, though. It was just the, thing where you practice introducing yourself. I see. Okay. Right, dus hi more, welkom, dek waarin wees. And Kirsten's mother says, Thou, Kirsten, tak school to have. Kirsten, Hans, the two Moist, my mother, ready. Sorensen, Hans says, Good day, fru Sorensen. Jeg hedder Hans Petersen. Kirsten min nabo. Kirsten is my neighbor. My name is Hans Petersen. Then George. Then George, I guess, greets her too. Good day, jeg hedder George. George. Jeg kommer fra England. And Kirsten's mother says where she lives. Jeg bor i Herning. Det en lang rejse fra Herning til København. Men den ikke så lang som din. Damn, they had to add like 4 new words or something. And I guess the conjugation for not. Raise big. Raise. Okay, I live in Herning. This is. Wait, that was a long journey from Herning to Copenhagen. But something not long, like your journey. Oh, it's probably, but they, what's Den? That's one of those things that should be on that, like, chart. Probably. There's Den. Den and Den. There's Den. There's a Den. Third person? Maybe they? What about it? Like, these are first, second, third. Wait, she, him, it? Maybe that is it. So then that would mean, I don't know. So I accidentally opened Firefox. So maybe the thing Menden, but it is not that long like your journey, I guess. She had a long journey, but it wasn't as long as his journey. I guess it'd be his journey. Or since he came all the way from England. Wait, where's Dean fall again? Person. Second person, you. Your journey, okay. What was the one that, wait, this one was weird. This. It was like your friend, but then it was like, oh yeah, when this was used for your friend in the earlier dialogue, it was weird because she was talking to one person, so shouldn't it be DIN, like the same one or something? I don't know. Let me look at it again. That was like all the way in the first dialogue. Dean. Oh yeah, yeah. Looking through it, yeah, is today the day your friend from England comes? Or maybe she is saying your guys' friend from England comes, because she's talking about, she's probably referring to Hans and his wife, I guess. So then it makes sense, fine. Okay, listen to it again. Did I even listen to it all the way before? No, I don't think I listened to it even once. The latest
Danish.
dialogue.
A it is a long journey.
Det er en lang rejse.
B. I am in Copenhagen.
Wait, what?
Conversation 3. New vocabulary.
Det var,
That was
tak skal du have.
Skal du have.
thank you.
Det er min mor.
Det er en mor.
This is my mother.
Goddag, fru Sørensen.
Hello, Mrs. Sorensen. Listen to the conversation.
Yeah.
How does Kirsten say it is a long journey?
Hej, mor. Velkommen. Det var en lang rejse. Dag, Kirsten. Tak skal du have.
Hey.
Det er min mor, Marie Sørensen.
Goddag, fru Sørensen. Jeg hedder Hans Petersen. Kirsten er min nabo. Goddag, jeg hedder George, og jeg kommer fra England.
Jeg bor i Herning. Det er en lang rejse fra Herning til København, men den er ikke så lang som din rejse.
Listen and translate into Danish.
Okay, the last part is like
A.
hard to comprehend in real time. Nice. Okay. Two of us. George kommer fra oh wait, no. That's the next part. So then C sharp. C sharp. Oh wait. Technically this we'll get this over with. The 4 Swedishes from last time. Well, I dedicate those 4 Swedishes. Oh wait, you said you're going to bed, Nadev? I didn't even see. Oh, well, Nadev already went to bed. I wish my TTS worked. When I do these 4 Swedish rounds, they will be dedicated to you, Crossfine. You're welcome. Okay, so what's now? Where's my... Check my phone really quick. Okay, okay, it's just a graphic. It's a C# types. Okay. The convert class and the parse methods. Okay. So there are, at the bottom it says, well, there's different byte sizes, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Oh wait, it's just a key if we had to read symbols. Composed of other elements. Another symbol. You can define your own, okay. So there's value types, reference types, pointer types. So value types are, says enumerations, you can define your own for that. Tuples, composed of other elements, structs, composed of other elements, and you can define your own. Okay, and then within that is, within value types is simple types, and within simple types is, well, simple types is a bool. And there's floating point types, float, double, decimal, integral types. Oh wait, yeah. So then you have integer types, you have unsigned types, byte, U short, U int, U long, Sign types, there's S byte short, int long, and characters, chars, and integral type. Oh, okay. So these things are all value types. Symbol types are value types. What is it? So then we have reference types, classes, which are composed of other elements, and you can find your own. Arrays, composed of other elements. String interfaces, composed of other elements, and you can find your own. Object, records, you can find your own, and composed of other elements. Normal records are reference types, but record structs are value types. Interesting. I've never even heard of record before. Delegates. Oh, that's what they're called. Delegate, I think. You can define your own. Yeah, because I think I did something with those when I was working on the Switch mod that one time. Delegate, C#. I just want to read a quick thing about it. Right? Isn't that what happened? Or did it not? What do these look like? Or I don't know, actually maybe I'm wrong. I think I'm just wrong. Wait, then there's pointer types. Just pointer is in there. Integral type includes all integer types and char. Simple type, a value that supports literals, literal constants. Ranges, seen this before. Ranges of the float, double, decimal. Okay. I'm just briefly thinking in my head. I'm trying to remember value and reference. Okay, so let me go do. Maybe I'll just get through these 4 Swedish is, and yeah, then maybe I'll try to sleep. Maybe. Or should I? I guess I should. But Danish is so fun. Maybe I'll at least do it from. No, whatever. I'll just follow the videos. What's this? Svenska. I'm trying to remember double dots with the A's. House. Fraser. Egg colors. Whatever. I'm getting these over with.
Hälsningsfraser. Hälsningsfraser.
Hälsningsfraser. Help.
Hälsningsfraser.
Yeah. What we got? Oh. Do you like poetry? Yeah. It's sometimes, yeah. Yeah, poetry can be pretty cool, but it can be hard to understand, so.
Hej.
Hey.
H. E. J. Hej.
Hey.
Hej. Hej. Jag heter Lisa.
I'm glad you love that sound quality. Jag heter Lisa.
Vad heter du?
Vad heter du? It's so interesting hearing how it's like the difference in the way the words sound in Swedish. Like it just heter instead of like a huda. You know. I am a nerd, Flowey. I mean, I wish I was. I need to like study more. I need to be more consistent.
Hej.
Hey.
Jag heter
Jag heter
Björn.
Björn. That means bear. Written a poem in English in the past, and I'm just trying to get back into it. Oh, cool.
Hej.
Hey.
Hur mår du?
Hur mår du?
Hej.
What does that even mean? What? How are you, probably? How? I actually don't know.
Jag mår bra.
He's like, oh, I am good.
Och du?
Oh, do?
Bara bra.
It's probably also good. Probably.
Hej.
Hey.
Hur mår du?
Hur mår du?
Hej. Jag mår bra. Och du?
Mår bra. Och du?
Bara bra.
Fantastic. Ja, det går bara bra.
Hej. Välkommen.
Välkommen. Tusen
Tack.
Tack. Tack. But it's spelled differently.
Hej. Välkommen.
Välkommen.
Tack.
Tack. Okej.
Hej då.
Hej då.
Hej då.
What is that? It's like Bye Guys or something. Like what the? Hey. Wait still. Do. Hey then?
Hej då.
I mean, it's probably for bye, but... okay. Hey then. Oh, bye then. I guess.
Hej då.
Hej då.
Hej då.
Presentation. Wait, there are 10 video clips in this. Did I watch all these? Oh, I didn't. Okay, I'll just watch some of those too. Greetings. Hey. Just hey. Hey, do.
Lyssna på...
Maybe the audio quality is better in this one. Okay, I can barely hear anything. Oh, shoot. Okay. Go away.
Stora.
Oh wait, you've seen the site right before, Crossvine? The site's really cool. But this is probably like what it goes up to is like less advanced than what you've already done in what is it called? Restart. So I think we should just call that Riz start, in my opinion. But okay, because it is kind of a cool series. Come. That sounds bad.
B. A.
Oh, that's so loud.
A.
What the?
Baka.
Boka. That means idiot in Japanese. Just saying. Boka.
A.
Tech.
Ta.
Oh, talk. Talk.
Lilla.
Little K.
A. Kam. B. A. A.
Okay.
Baka.
Boka.
A.
Talk.
Vi läser en gång till. Kam. Baka.
Boka.
Talk. Kam. Baka.
Boka. Talk.
Lyssna på E.
Petition to rename it. Yes! There is no petition. It's a like a what's that word I want to use? It is a oh my god. Okay, I'll just use the best word I can, the closest word I can think of. It's not what I wanted to use, but you know, this is a oh my god, what is it though? Whatever. This is a dictatorship, so it's that's what it shall be renamed as.
E.
I can't think of the actual word I wanted to use though.
Stora E. E.
I can't remember what that means. I think it was something like pronounce or listen. Please listen? I don't even know. No, big. Biggie. Like Lila small. Stored as big. Because store in Danish means big.
Ek. Ek.
Oh, wait, I wasn't even paying attention to this.
Stora.
What, this is
Ek.
like a tree? Tree.
Ek.
Eek.
Ek.
Eek.
E. T.
T.
A. L. E.
Is this a picture of... This is like a picture of him, isn't it? What is this?
Kalle.
Kalle. It's probably like... I don't know, actually. Teacher? Call? Okay, no... Okay. It's literally just his name. Oh, I'm stupid. He's just telling you my name's... Oh, okay. I was overthinking it. It's literally just his name. You're the best,
Lilla
Crossvine.
E.
Thank you. I'd be
E.
completely lost without you.
Ek.
Eek. Eek.
E.
It's just his name.
T.
T.
A. L. E. Kalle.
Kalle.
Vi läser en gång till. Ek.
Eek.
T.
T.
Kalle.
Kalle.
Ek.
Eek.
T.
T.
Kalle.
Kalle. Why don't I just watch it full screen?
Lyssna på bokstaven L.
Mm.
L.
Mm.
L.
What? They're L. That sounds more like a like more like an M sound. Like interesting.
L.
Okay, it's L, but
Stora L. L. E. Le.
E.
E.
Okay, that better be like old woman or something, or it better not be just her name. Smile. Oh, okay. It's not old woman. It's just smile. How was I supposed to know?
L.
Socket? Plug?
El.
What? Electricity? Oh. Not socket.
B. I. L. Bil.
It's his mom, Lee.
Lilla
Yeah, right?
L. L. E. Le.
Lee.
E. L. El.
E.
I. L. Bil. Vi läser en gång till. Le. El. Bil.
I don't know why, but the way he like says all these, like the way the like the L, or something. Like it sounds like a mosquito.
Le. El. Bil.
Especially when he says this word, it sounds like a mosquito. Math. Wait, first off. Okay. There's only 3 more of those anyway, so I was like, ugh. You're being taught by a rather well-educated... Yes, a well-educated mosquito. Really? It does? You're kidding. That's crazy. Because he sounded like a mosquito. Oh my... Wait. That gullible. That's mean. That is like... See, that is something like a Swedish person would do. Are you sure you're not... You're not actually a Swede, just pretending to be a learner? Be careful with that. So that is awesome. It's like, oh my... So now I'm just gonna be like, oh, I hate college. They're so annoying. I just want to swat all of them and get in so much trouble. That's awesome. You got me. You did. You know, even though I have these 3, I'll still do like a Danish in between. I just won't be able to check these off. Cause like, I need Danish. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need... Subtract integers in applications. It's hard to find something if we don't know what we're looking for or what to call it. So when we solve an application problem, we first need to determine what we are asked to find. Then we can write a phrase that gives the information to find it. We'll translate the phrase into an expression and then simplify the expression to get the answer. Finally, we summarize the answer in a sentence to make sure it makes sense. Yep, solve problems, identify what you're asked to find, write a phrase that gives the information to find it, translate the phrase to an expression, simplify the expression, answer the question with a complete sentence. Example 344, in the morning, the temperature in Urbana, Illinois was 11 degrees Fahrenheit. By mid-afternoon, the temperature had dropped to -9 degrees. What was the difference between the morning and afternoon temperatures? Yep. What else to find? Difference between the morning and afternoon temperatures. The difference of 11 and -9. Transformation expression. Simplify 20. Write a complete sentence. Question. The difference in temperature was 20 degrees Fahrenheit. In the morning, the temperature in Anchorage, Alaska was 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Mid-afternoon, the temperature dropped to 30 degrees below zero. What was the difference between the morning and afternoon temperatures? The temperature in Denver was -6 degrees Fahrenheit at lunchtime. By sunset, the temperature had dropped to -15 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the difference between lunchtime and sunset temperatures? Geography provides under application of negative numbers with the elevations of places below sea level. Yep. Dinesh hiked from Mount Whitney, the highest point in California, to Death Valley, the lowest point. The elevation of Mount Whitney is 14,497 feet above sea level. The elevation of Death Valley is 282 feet below sea level. I did not know Mount Whitney's highest point. What is the difference in elevation between Mount Whitney and Death Valley? Yep. Difference elevation 14,000. One day, John hiked to 10,023 foot to the 10,023 foot summit of Halikala volcano in Hawaii. The next day, while scuba diving, he dove to a cave 80 feet below sea level. What is the difference between the elevation of the summit of Halikala and the depth of the cave? Submarine Nautilus is at 340 feet below the surface of the water, and Submarine Explorer is 573 feet below the surface of the water. What is the difference in the position of the Nautilus and the Explorer? So I wonder for this. You know what? It makes total sense. I get it. Because this one is below that one, so it's negative because you're going further down. Managing your money can involve both positive and negative numbers. You might have overdraft protection on your checking account. This means the bank lets you write checks for more money than you have in your account as long as they know they can get it back from you. Leslie has $25 in her checking account. She writes a check for $8. What's the balance after she writes the check? Writes a second check for $20. What is the new balance after this check? Leslie's friend told her that she had lost a check for $10 that Leslie had given her with her birthday card. What's the balance in Leslie's checking account now? Wait, she lost a check for $10 that Leslie had given her. Because it's just extraneous information. Doesn't matter if she lost it or not. Wait, if she lost it, then she never cashes it. So the balance won't change. Like, is that a trick question? Balance of the account. 25 minus 8. 17 minus 20. She's overdrawn by -3. $10 more than? Plus 10. Why are we adding this? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Like, it should be like plus 0. Like, what? I don't think she'll get more money. You don't, like... If you lose a check, right? If you lose a check, you don't just, like, gain money from losing a check you wrote. Unless I'm, like, misunderstanding what that means. Like, she lost a check. Unless it means, like, she... Doesn't make sense. She lost the check, and then Leslie found it, and then, but this, whatever. I'm making jumps. Then Leslie found it, and then she cashed the check back in. Wait, no, it doesn't make sense. No. It just doesn't make sense. What if I run it into, DeepSeek or something? And see what it does with the $10. His friend lost a check. I guess it just means that Leslie, when she wrote the check, she, in her calculations, subtracted 10. Thinking, like, that the person was going to cash the check in, but then she needed to put the 10 back when the check got lost. I don't know, it's a dumb question. Araceli has $75 in her checking account and writes a check for $27. I think I'm gonna do that again. What is the balance after she writes the check? She writes a second check for $15 with a new balance. The check for $20 she sent Charity was never cashed. What is the balance in Araceli's checking account? They're gonna do the same thing. Genevieve's bank account was overdrawn. The balance is -78. She deposits a check for $24 that she earned babysitting. What is the due balance? Deposits a check. So plus, she deposits another check for $49. Is she out of debt yet? What is her new balance? Thanks, literacy. Thanks, literacy. I'll read your magic before I do another video topics covered section. Additional online resource, straight integers, straight integers, color counters, straight integers basics, straight integers, integer application. Isn't that what this section's called? Oh, yeah. Yay. Danish. Danish. Okay. True or false questions. George Coleman for England. True. Kirsten's Moore. Hura Marie Larson. Kirsten's mother is called Marie Larson. False, because she's Marie Sørensen. Kirsten er Hans nabo. True, because he said that. Yeah, Hans says Kirsten er min nabo. Fru Sørensen bor i Esbjerg. Fru Sørensen lives in Esbjerg. No, she lives in Herning. We have, okay, language discovery. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. You've seen some of these words in the conversations. In conversation 1, how did Kirsten say she when she told Hans about the length of her mother's visit? She's going to stay with us for a week. If you answered who, you're right. These words are called personal pronouns. The English personal pronoun, you can refer to one person or several. In Danish, there's a singular form, du, and a plural form, e. Really? 50 years ago, people used the forms do and e only when addressing children, family, and friends. In all of the cases, the formal de, both singular and plural, was used. Family and friends. Okay. Now, the formal mode of address is rarely used. However, you still address people in prominent positions with D as a sign of respect. 2 words are needed in Danish for the personal. Was it, 50 years ago when that happened? When they were using that, the other one? "50 years ago, yeah. 2 words are needed in Danish for the personal pronoun it. It designates a thing, and Danish nouns, naming words, are divided into 2 groups, or genders. The common gender and the neuter gender. The English indefinite article in front of a common gender word is in, and in front of a neuter gender word et. E.g., a boat and bod, a journey, in race, train, a toll, a name, a noun. If it refers to a common gender noun, the Danish pronoun is din, din. The neuter gender form is det. Okay, common is din. Neuter. Okay. So then you have I, you, du, de, he, hen, she, hun. It's den or dit. Gender.
Den det.
Den, det. Okay. We, you, he, or they. And they. So like, this is actually an I? Or an L, or what the? 1. Okay. Or actually, what does this say? Wait a second. What is it? Why does it say that for you? Because then... So. Oh, D and T. So then... Oh, here it is. U. I guess it is. Okay, so what is this? I guess it is in the I.
Den det I.
It's E. Okay. Couldn't find this. Okay. Yeah, doing this. Is okay. Math. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder can all be used to do math and expressions, such as int a equals 3 plus 2 divided by 4 times 6. The plus and minus operators can also be used to indicate a sign or negate a value. Okay. The order of operations matches the math world. Multiplication and division happens before addition and subtraction, and things are evaluated left to right. I'm gonna take some notes here, like this. Let's go note. Change the order by using parentheses to group things you want to be done first. Compound. I'll also include that too. Compound assignment operators: plus equals, minus equals, times equals, slash equals, mod equals are shortcuts that adjust a variable with a math operation. A plus equals 3 is the same as A equals A plus 3. The increment and decrement operators add and subtract 1, A plus plus, B minus minus. Each of the numeric types define special values for the ranges. Int.max value, double dot min value, etc. And the floating point types also define positive infinity, negative infinity, and none. Integer division drops from remainders while floating point division does not. Dividing by 0 in either system is bad. You can convert between types by casting int x equals int 3.3. The math and math of classes contain a collection of utility methods for dealing with common math operations, such as abs for absolute value, pow and square root for powers and square roots, and sine, cosine, tan, trigonometry functions sine, cosine, tangent, and a definition of pi, math.pi. Computers were built for math, and it is high time we saw how to make the computer do some basic arithmetic. Hey, I just realized the day reset. I should do some Duolingo actually, because I'll do it in Swedish though. No, I'm gonna do Danish because it's gonna get my streak. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish with this. Computers are built for math. It's high time we saw how to make the computer do some basic arithmetic. Okay. So. Or actually, just more. Operations and operators. Let's start by defining a few terms. An operation is a calculation that takes usually two numbers and produces a single result by combining them somehow. Each operator indicates how the numbers are combined, and a particular symbol represents each operator. For example, 2 plus 3 is an operation. That operation is addition, shown with a plus symbol. The thing in operation uses the 2 and 3 here are called operands. Okay, I think I'll end off on Swedish and then get rid of one of these, and then there'll only be 2 left, and then I will. Well, I'm gonna do. I guess I am gonna do Swedish then, because technically I'm supposed to only do Swedish in between the things for that. That's what the rewards had to do, so I should do it. And then I'll go to bed when I'm done this. Okay.
Nej.
Oh, my ears. Nej.
Vin. Eller.
och, eller,
There.
te. Välkommen. Kaffe. Te.
Tea.
Vin. Ja. E. E. I. E. Bröd och vatten. Tack.
Oopsies.
Kaffe eller te. Kaffe eller
Tea.
te. Ja och nej.
Yoni. Yoni. I hate these, but it's fine. I don't have hearts right now. Yoni.
Hej. Vatten eller öl?
Old.
Vatten eller öl? Ja. Och nej. Nej. Mjölk, tack. Vin och vatten, tack. Vin och vatten, tack. Vin och vatten, tack.
Oh, that's about it, like the Danish one. That's in. Hey. Hey, Anna.
Ja. Och nej. Och eller nej. Vin och vatten, tack.
Fun to say? What's one? Eller? Is it? Is it? There. Yeah, I got a heart. It's good. Okay. We're watching this one, I guess 3 out of 6, and then I guess after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna sleep because I have to keep shifting my legs to stop myself from like falling asleep as I'm staring at the screen. I think I'd be this tired though, huh? But it's okay. I still was able to do it for these like 3-ish, 4 hours, so it's not bad.
Hej, välkomna.
And I did Danish, so that makes me happy. Ah, yes. And now it is time to listen to Teacher Mosquito. Because we all know Kalle is mosquito in Swedish. Yes.
Vi ska läsa veckans alfaord och titta noga på vokalerna också.
What the hell is he saying?
Hej, välkomna. Vi ska läsa veckans alfaord och titta...
He seriously sounds like when I imagine a mosquito talks like. I'm not kidding.
Titta noga på vokalerna också.
With some of the sounds.
Vokalerna. Så lyssna här. Vi börjar med A. Nej, förlåt.
Why is the volume so low on this particular one?
A.
A.
O.
Ooh.
A.
A.
O.
Ooh.
A.
A.
O.
Ooh.
Exempel. Sal. Sal. Och sol.
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 What are these?
En gång till. Sal. Sal.
Sol. Hall. So. Solar. Okay. We'll drag it over here.
Sol. Sol. Sal. Sol.
Sol. Sol.
Nästa. O. Och. U.
U.
O.
O.
U.
U. U.
Exempel. B. O. R. Bor.
Bor.
B. U. R.
Bor.
Bur.
Bur.
Bo.
Wait, bo is live, right? It's like Danish. But then what is I assume. I think so. Rude.
Bor. Bur.
Bur.
Bor.
Bor.
Bur.
Bur.
Nästa. E. Och. Ö.
E.
E. Ö.
Ö.
E.
E.
Ö.
Ö.
B. E. N.
Ben.
Ben. B. Ö. N. Bön.
Burn. Okay, I don't know what those are. Oh, bone. Switch keyboard. Oh, it was this one. It was this key. I was like, where is it? Prayer.
Ben.
Ben.
Bön.
Burn.
Ben.
Ben. Ben.
Bön.
Burn.
Nästa. I.
E.
Y.
U.
I.
E.
Y.
U.
Y.
U.
Exempel. Bi.
B. Mosquito sounds.
Bi.
Brr.
Bi.
Brr.
Bi.
Brr.
Bi.
B. B.
Bi.
Brr.
Nästa. O.
Oh. Wait, I should look at. Yeah, I should look what those are. What they could be. Okay. P. Village. That one. P. Is it one of these like islands or something? That's oh, and wow.
Exempel. Hår.
Oh wait, those aren't words. Like he writes the vowels and then he like fills it in. What's this word for? What is this? Hår. Come on. We know. Hår. Oh. Okay.
Hår.
Hår.
Här.
Här. Oh.
Här.
Hår.
Här.
Hår.
Hår. Här. Hår. Här. Vi läser alla en gång till.
Wait, what were they again? Oh, here.
Sol. Sol. Bor. Bur. Ben. Bön.
What was this? I forgot what the what was this one? Wait, cage.
Bil. Hår. Här. Träna många gånger och läs för din lärare eller din kompis.
Why did that sound so Italian? What is this again? Oh yes, village. He said that quite a few times. For Italian. I'm not falling for it now. Now I know. Now I know better. Ha. Okay. Oh, yeah, he did say that like a bunch, but I wasn't able to pick up on it. The Ingongtil. One more time. That makes sense. It's the or whatever. It means island. Let's see. That's cool. Thank you, Crossfire. Thank you. I kind of want to like almost keep going now. Like I wasn't really falling asleep quite as much that time, but let me think. Cause I like being able to end, not in the middle of doing something, but like when I finish a set of like things. This could be a good time to get off though, but it's so chill. It's so nice just having you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nurse. No! The trauma. Why did you? Oh God, why would you remind me of that? What was it? It was like Stuga play. I'm trying to remember in like Danish. Oh my God, Stuga play. You're scared or something. Thanks to how helpful the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 was. It was some, swear to God, it was some sound something like that. That's nurse is actually 11 in Danish. Yep, it's 11. That was so stupid. It was so stupid. Oh, thanks for reminding me. You're the best. You're absolutely the best. By the way, are you in the US, Crossvine? Do you just stay up really late? Or are you somewhere where it's just not super late? Just hurry us. Oh, nice! Oh, actually, this is the perfect time to get off because, like, it's got a message from a friend. My soup pattern is just cooked. I feel you. Poor thing. Mine just jumps. It just jumps around. It's crazy. Crazy. Thank you. Thank you for always supporting, Danish as a superior language, Crossvine, and thanks for helping me out with the tiny bit of the inferior Swedish. I do appreciate it. Always. And yeah, I can't wait for the day you show up and you tell me like that you've like moved there and like you're a citizen and everything. Like I might be biased against Sweden, but I'll still be really proud of you and I will, look up to you. Yes. No, I seriously am. Like, I will be so happy. Like, even if I haven't studied Swedish and by that point, like, many months, many years even, I will break out some Swedish just to, like, celebrate the big event. Yep. Even if by that time it's like I've already transitioned fully into Danish, I don't need Swedish anymore. What is that? A language? Yeah, I will make sure that I won't say anything mean about Sweden on that day. At all. I'll only say nice things. And do Swedish. Some. But, alright, I'm gonna get off. But, thank you. Again, nice seeing you. And I don't know, is there anyone else around? Let's see. Nope, it was just you. Last hour, but it was really chill and really fun. Keep studying, alright? You got this. You got this. No, thank you. Thank you for being here. If it wasn't for you, I'd be just alone by myself. I mean, I probably would have fallen asleep on the keyboard, drooling. But thank God every now and then you sent some interesting things to make it fun, to keep me awake. Like the mosquito thing, that was good. Now I'm always gonna think Kalle is mosquito in Swedish. Thank you. Like it's just gonna, I just have that association now. So, yeah. Alright, I'll see ya. So welcome. God damn you. Oh dear. I'll see you.